Feeling invisible in your own home because you are juggling a toddler hanging around your leg and you're trying to pack lunches, rush everybody out the door, and then you forget to pick up the shoe that's lost, and then you're still freaking late to work. It literally feels like you're invisible. You're doing everything, but yet you get nothing done, and you are the one standing last in line to be seen. Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm a mom, used to work 50 hours in corporate and I was constantly rushed and I hated every second of it because I felt like even though everything I'm getting done, I'm getting nothing done. And this is why I started looking on what can I possibly do to supplement my income so that I can free up time, so that I can have more income coming in and I can have more time doing the things that I love. And I found a process that was so simple to follow. It was a proven blueprint that I just followed step by step, became coachable, and I implemented it. And I'm making freaking thousands of dollars doing digital marketing every month with a fully automated done-for-me system that I purchased one time. Didn't have to have any kind of prior experience or be tech savvy or have a big following, but just showed up for myself 2 hours a day and now living life on my terms. So if you're done being invisible and you want to start living the life that you always dreamed of and you want more income coming in, drop a yes in my comments because I'm going to share this with you.